Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add a Atok address in Trust Wallet. So in this video, I will be sharing you all the details of the BNB Atok address. So this one, I will just pop it on the screen. So now as you can see, the network is BNB Smart Chain and the symbol is Atok rather, and the decimal is 18. So let me now show you how to do it step by step. So I will provide you with a contract address. So you just have to copy it. So just copy this on my screen. Now after copying the contract address, now once you're here in the Trust Wallet application, at the very top right, you can see that there is two dots or two circles. So we'll just have to click on this one right here. Now, once you click on that, it will show you this page right here. So as you can see at the top, there is a plus icon. So we're going to click on that to add a token. So I told you earlier that the network is BNB. So we'll just have to click on or select the BNB from here. Now after selecting the BNB, so the screen will come up. So in here, you just have to paste all the details that I've shown you earlier. So you just have to copy those and paste it in here. So you will need the contract address that we've copied earlier, so you have to paste it in here, and the name is Atok. So it will appear or it will be typed right here automatically once you maybe paste here the contract address. But if you want to manually add it in here, so the name is Atok and the symbol will be Atok, and then the decimal will show as 18 as I had mentioned. So this will appear automatically. Then once you're done, just click on import at the very bottom. So this will add the token to the Trust Wallet application. And since it's not added by default, it's taking a moment to load. So you just have to wait for it to load. And once it's loaded or once it's already added to your Trust Wallet, you can now start swapping, or you can also buy and sell for USDT or whatever that you want to buy and sell or swap. So I will show you also the step by step on how you can do that. So first, I'll take you to the receiving address. So by going to the receive option, from here you will have the QR code right here or the contract address. So you have to copy it and then go back, and you can also click on the send option. In the recipient field, you have to paste the same address that you've copied earlier. So you can also enter the number of Atok tokens that you want to send. So for example, you will enter 1,000. So you have to click on next, then a blue tick will appear when it's valid. Then you'll also get the option to swipe, and that's how you do it. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.